Hello! In this video I'll be showing you the newest range of microphones we have to offer. These microphones are all Stagg products and are rated incredibly well due to their excellent build quality. This video will feature both professional microphones on the left and the standard microphones on the right. I'll be showing you these microphones in order of price, lowest to highest, and I'll be starting with the SDM-P10. I will display all the prices in the description, and these prices will be right at the time of recording and are subject to change on the website. So this is a close-up of the front, and in just a second I'll be opening it up to see what you actually get inside. And for each one I will just display the side of the box which displays the specifications of each product. They all come with a cable. This particular one comes with a 3.5 meter XLR 2 phone plug. So opening up the box, you've got your cable, which is 3.5 meter XLR, and your phone plug. Microphone itself, quite weighty, so it feels like a good sturdy solid product. And you'd have your XLR go in the bottom and your phone plug go into whatever system you have running. You've got your black windshield. So that is the SDM-P10. The next one I'll be showing you is the SDM-P30, which comes in a slightly larger box compared to the last one. Specifications are on the back. This comes with the exact same cable as the previous one, and the frequency is 50 Hz to 15 kHz. And the difference from this one compared to the last one is that this one is rated better for live performance. So opening up the box, and this is the SDM-P30. You have your 3.5 meter cable, your XLR end and your phone end. And this microphone is built slightly different to the last one I showed you. Slightly longer. Got your on-off switch, you've got your XLR input, and you've got your black windshield. And this microphone feels quite weighty and is incredibly well built. Moving on to the professional microphones, we're going to start with the SDM-50. And the professional ones come with a hard carry case. There's a picture of it on the front. It's got a silver windshield, and these are the specifications. And the frequency response is 50 Hz to 15 kHz. And being professional, these ones come with a slightly longer cable, which is a 5 meter microphone cable, XLR to XLR. Opening this up, out the outer sleeve, and you've got your hard carry case. Inside, you've got your protection foam either side. You've got your 5-meter XLR to XLR, male and female. You have your microphone. Unlike the previous microphones I showed you, they had plastic bodies. The professional ones all have metal bodies. The metal bodies will make these products more durable. They definitely feel more professional. And you have your silver windshield, your on-off button and your XLR input. And that's the SDM100. So the next model up from the SDM100 is the SDM100, and the boxes look near identical. The products are almost the same apart from the blue strip around the windshield. The reason why this product is different is mainly the frequency response starts from 60 Hz to 14 kHz. Just give you a close-up of the specifications. Again, this one comes with a 5-meter microphone cable, which is XLR to XLR. Opening up this product. Again, this has come in a hard carry case. You've got your foam on both ends to keep it secure and safe. You've got your 5-meter cable, XLR to XLR. And again, you've got the metal body. The metal body on this is a slightly different colour to the SDM100. It's got more of a bluey green tint to it, which looks very good. Got your XLR input, on-off button, and you've got your silver windshield with your blue ring. And you've got your metal body, which is zinc alloy. So that is the SDM100. This next product is slightly different from the rest, as this is a set of 3 microphones. Again, these all come with cables, and this is the SDMP15-3. And these are the specifications. These particular microphones come with 3 lots of 3.5-meter microphone cables, XLR to phone plug. And the frequency response is 50 Hz to 15 kHz. Opening up the product. Again, this comes in a hard carry case. You have your foam on both ends. You have your 3 microphones, your 3 lots of cables, XLR to phone plug. Opening up one of the microphones. These all have black windshields. Got your on-off switch. And these microphones are very similar to the first 2 microphones that I showed you. They're plastic bodied. Got your XLR input. and we have a lot of people using these for DJing events with karaoke or conferences where you have more than one speaker. This next product is my personal favourite. We have a vintage style microphone. Specifications for this one, this microphone also comes with a 5-meter XLR to XLR cable. Again, being a professional microphone, you've got your hard case carry. The frequency for this is 80 Hz to 12 kHz, so as well as being aesthetically pleasing, it's a very good working product. So looking at this microphone, we have the on-off switch at the front. It's quite heavy. You can adjust the angle which this will stand at. And it's a very good, sturdy, solid product. And that was the SDM100 CR.